The 100th annual LOUDS fireworks is now resumed. Enjoy the show. Did I miss out? There are the fireworks, yeah. Right behind the corner. Wow. Wow, that's loud. Look at this crazy. Wow. I think that's it. No. So guys, happy 100th anniversary and 4th of July. Wow, that's very loud. I gotta fix it. It's foggy. Much better. That's it. That was a great fireworks show. There's still more. Happy 100th anniversary of LOUDS fireworks. Woo! Station. Happy 4th of July. Happy 100th anniversary of LOUDS fireworks. Everyone is enjoying and watching fireworks, and then the fireworks are starting to begin to glow. That's it? That was it, folks. So thank you so much for watching the full fireworks show, the 100th annual LOUDS fireworks. It's not over. But I hope you have a wonderful 100th anniversary and 4th of July. And please subscribe and turn on those post notifications. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. For watching the 100th annual LOUDS Fireworks full of fireworks show. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Just a little there. Bye for now.